Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the technical inspection of the Golf, and there's quite a lot to talk about. First I will show you the first document I got from the technical inspection. I will insert it right here or somewhere around here, and then we're going to talk about that one. And later I will show you what I have done to fix the problems that occurred on the paper. The first remark is because my brake lights didn't work. The second one is because the seat was loose and that should be fixed. And the third one is because of my engine swap, but more info about that later. The second row is for things that are really necessary to fix, like the breedlichten or city lights are. One of my city lights is not working. One of my fog lights in the rear is also not working. And then as my blinking lights have not the right frequency. What I got was because of the brake lights, and that was due to that tiny sensor. So that's the sensor that measures the brake pressure on the servo, and that one didn't work anymore, so I got my multimeter out and it didn't give any voltage through when we pushed the brakes, but that's now also fixed. So the remark of the seat was because the seat could move up and down like this. But now that isn't possible anymore because of the white plastic part that's in here. It's one I ordered from the internet. It's one, although my Golf is from 82, this kind of plastic piece is from a pre-80 model. So if you want to get the seat to be steady, then you need to check which type of part you need. So I needed this one, both driver and the passenger side, as well as this one as well. So that problem is solved now. And then the last remark is about it's a old-timer dossier, and this wants to say if the old-timer is not stock, like with brakes or engine wise, then you can get this document that they need to verify if it is or if you can do the upgrade or change that you made. And for me that problem occurred because of my engine swap. So after long debating, I didn't want to go any further, and when I got home from the technical inspection, the gearbox on my on this engine, so the engine swapped one, here where you need to get the shifter thing, there the oil leaked out pretty bad. So I decided, because I already made up the old engine, I decided to get that swapped back in. That's why the old engine is in, the old gearbox is back in, so everything is back to stock. How everything goes and more info about swap I will give you guys later in this video, probably. So guys, we're a few days later, and I'm back from the technical inspection with the Golf, and she passed technical inspection, so that's a good thing. But when I did come home, I also got a little yeah, how do you say it? Yeah, not so good news. Let's take a look. So, yeah. So, this coolant hose, yeah, it didn't pop off or something like that, but there's a little, little hole in because it's almost 30 years old, and yeah, rubbers don't like that. So I got a new one that I bought. This one. And I will now replace it. Yeah, the Golf is also stock again. So it's stock again, but that's the reason for that I will talk about later. So here is the little tear in the hose. It's quite a big one, it seems. Only when there's pressure on it you will see it. But that problem is solved and the engine is back to normal. Now I still have one problem with my blinking lights, but yeah, that's for another time, because today I don't have the time to do it. So guys, in the last clip you could see that I was back from the technical inspection, and there I told you that the coolant hose was broken, but that was not a problem for the inspection. So what I want to say is that the Golf got a green card, which means that it passed technical inspection, and that the remark from the seat and the brake lights is gone, but also the one from the document is gone, and that's because of the install of my old engine. And because the old engine is now installed, they can't make up the old-timer document because there's no other engine in than stock. But that also has other consequences. Because I needed to get the Golf back to stock, I also got the feeling that it wasn't worth it to swap back the other engine. Also because of the problem with the gearbox, I have decided to leave the Golf stock again. It's also back on its stock brakes and stock wheels. So the 13-inch steelies are back on, and the little brake discs and calipers. The fuel tank is also out, the electric pump, everything that was connected to the swapped engine is out, and everything is back to stock. And there comes a little fact. Because I did bring this back to stock, and it's quite slow when it's stock, and I want something faster, I've decided to sell the Golf. I pretty quickly decided to sell the Golf, so it has been online for a few weeks now, and it may be gone in the future. So this could be the last video with the Golf in it. Will be sad going, but yeah, it's time to move forward to something else, because she gives me a lot of headaches, and yeah, I also want something faster. I don't know what I will buy in the future, but we will keep on going with the videos, with my daily car, with the Audi A6 that I will show you, and probably also with another car where I need to work on. So that said, guys, I wish you a nice evening. There will be one extra video with the Golf possibly. That's because I also documented the engine swap for you guys. So it's not in this video, but it will be in the next one. It will be a separate video. And yeah, that will probably be the last video of the Golf. See you guys later. Hopefully, yeah, you will be, will not be mad on me. But yeah, it is like it is. Have a good time, guys. See you next time.